It's a text customization video tutorial where you have to get the knowledge about it. I will made it fix there. So we are going to change the style of the layer and add it into the text. So we will stretch it, changing the different styles. Made it fixed here. We can also convert it into the 3D design. Let's wait for it until creation of 3D. Made it. So we will wait for a few seconds. So there it is. Thank you for watching my video.